We're gonna wash this first, the blanket. Don't normally wash the blanket and the sheet and nothing else together. Blanket wash by itself. Since I put in the soap, everything already. So put the blanket in. Yeah, I kind of love the blanket and I feel that blanket are cool, nice, comfy. Trust me. See? Get them love the blanket. I know a few blankets, but I guess this is a favorite. So they get them. Alright. I'll wanna film time it to go into the machine. I'll just take off the sheet. Let the breeze out a bit. One on me having the bird. I use a phone. That one and I try to undress the bed with the other hand. Kinda give me a little headache, you know, but basically I don't see what I go and that I got take place. So basically what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna sweep. See? Sweep out the place. Then I done sweep out the place. I go wipe out. I normally eat two coat of wipe. I wipe it out first. Sweep, then wipe. Right, then I dust. Yeah, me done. Me dust down the furniture them, dust down the fan. I will take down the curtain them as well. Yeah, me change the curtain them. Change the curtain them as well. When me done dust, I go wipe again. I go wipe again when I finish wipe. Me normally I go check on the part them. I mean, to be honest, they're still enough. Me not say they get them not clean or nothing, but me personally, me always wash them over. See? Me always wash them over. Me just check and say, wash them over. Yeah, man, me wash them over. I guess I was there for what, 9 days. Yeah, so. You know, I'm gonna wash it. I don't even love to myself for it, but I just love that, you know, that mindset there. But I'm 100% sure it's properly done. Yeah, so that. You know, wipe down the stove. You see him use the stove, but him clean the stove, but him put on about the grill them wrong. It's at the back part of the stove, the grill. See front part already little curve. Yeah, this is the other front, so it's the same wipe off the stove. Don't even look greasy normally. When me come back here after I guess run through, me have to tell you, me have to wipe down and way. So I guess I'll trust me. And the person stay with us because him stop at somebody introduced him to an Airbnb first. And when him reach he must have spent one night there. I said no him not stay there. So him not stay there. Because him say him never have no access to stove. You see me? And him a say this when me have to offer way better than what them have and me even cheaper. Actually $500 cheaper and a big deal, but him say him rather hear so. See me? Because him feel much at home. Feel like him there home. See? Because I'm on him cook him own food, him like that him like the kitchen setting. We have access to fridge, kitchen, fridge, stove, way, and can do the whole of that kind. I'm gonna love cook. Him not like road food. See? So yeah man. Him love the scene. So a friend of mine hear my talk, they one garage and hear my talk and say, boy, I'm the like them there and them. I'm not very sure which Airbnb in there, but trust me, that very popular place. See? Very popular place on Mullines Road. And him just come and look on the place, come and say if he can see it first. So no problem, man. So him come look and him love it. Him come in same time. Same time him come in, so me pay me off and say, yo, brother, no, way, you see? Let me know say, yo, you right, I feel you spot this now, I love it. Actually, everybody that always love everybody come here always love the place, man. Yeah, always. You see me? And actually, this apartment is 4 unit. So in 4 studio unit. 2 upstairs. Don't let me just show you the stairs. 2 upstairs. gonna see what I go. See the stairs there. Right, these two upstairs. Two upstairs. But them two upstairs there is long-term rental. Right, and this one, number one. This one is number two. I guess in number two right now, number one right now for 2 weeks. 2 weeks with the hope to extend them stay. But sometimes this may know if them a continue to stay because them supposed to go back. So we'll know by the end of the week. But this is actually I don't own the unit. No, I don't own a building at all. It's my sister. See, good sister. Good sister. So I say, trust me, I love her to death. Yeah, man. Fair place. So I have it. She do have she have other business she actively involved in. So she typically never have the time for this. So I just keep back home one day and read about Airbnb and I just call her up and say, yo, where do you the building? And she say, yo, you know, say the two room them just lack of coming on the time for it. And she say, you want to take it over? Say, yeah, man, yeah. And right away, I just sign up for Airbnb. That was what 2020? Sign up for Airbnb and I tell you the very same day, I get a booking. The very same day in line. See, I'm saying, alright, cool. But through 2020, summer 2020, me have a little issue where me never have no sitter for me. Me just get a young son. Never have no babysitter for him. So me most of the time me have to babysit because my girl work. And me that do my own little thing. Cause me sell stuff and stuff like that. So me normally operate from home. See, so she have to work. So me take the time and stay home and wait. So this 2020, me never really have a lot of guests because I couldn't actively then at the, you know, couldn't act, can never call her already. I couldn't about it. So each time, so I guess come, I used to be on booking.com, you know, but I come off of booking.com because most of my booking was from booking.com. Most of my guests was from booking.com, but booking.com, what I don't like with it, the person them pay when them come. And we never have nobody active on the premises to deal with them. So I believe me have two guests to check out because I don't live at the property. I have two guests check out early morning just to don't pay me. You see me, I'm just a check can't manage. So I actually get somebody to look after my kids and just in the field now, me there I do it. Yeah, man, me there I do it. So but I couldn't manage the booking that come because it have too much things that I don't really like. So I just leave that alone. And Airbnb, me have Airbnb. Airbnb good because most of the people who come after meeting me and you know, they become like my guess, you know, to get information and then just like book direct. That's me, but yeah, kinda alright. Definitely alright, man. You see me? So me and my sister just at least my sister in building, but me do everything. At the moment now, 2 doors. I mean pretty much do everything. The cleaning, the maintenance. I mean pretty do everything. See? But me have 2 more doors to go take on the management. So I know some have to start hire even one or two person. And me one definitely now can do it. But until them do they come through, me wanna solo for the time being. Yeah, me gonna be solo for the time being. But me definitely never need help as me grow this business. And trust me, it is very profitable if you do what you're supposed to do, put your all in it. You see me? Because you can't want to rent people place and you know take care right. You have to make sure the place good, clean. People gonna get clean towel, clean sheet with spread pan, clean bed, clean place. The place, trust me, you just have to deal with the thing good. Guys. If you not deal with it good, trust me, then come one time they ain't coming back. So me and this is a thing where that business ain't really take much from your putting the groundwork and have somebody for with them head pan them body for manage if you can't do it yourself. But it not take a whole heap of work. You see me? It not take a whole heap of work because as I say, 2 door me have under management. Me do everything. I don't own it. Only thing I do is don't own it. You see me? Me still make a decent piece of money. See? Yeah, me still make a decent piece of money because me and my sister we talk. She tell me what she want per night and me charge. So me can, she nice, me nice. Yeah, man. It definitely good. See me? Me interact with all guests. She not deal with no guests. Everything is me. So me, if a person call her and really she put them on to me, because you know you have people who know so she have the building and know what she do. But she used to call them, so she used to do it, but she can't manage it so she normally anybody call her phone, she turn them over to me. So me 100% manage the two Airbnb. Yeah, you know the long term tenant them long term rental them they don't really need a lot of maintenance. A lot of maintaining because you know people live in a place them take care of it. If they have any major issues you deal with it. That's what I mean. But otherwise we don't really have no issue with them because they help themselves, them do them up to do one. But the Airbnb is the yeah, active. So, yes man, so basically it that. Basically it that. So I'm gonna start upload. I try my best. See if I can upload at least once a week, maybe 2 times a week. See, I have this run. I run now probably about 2 years, and me not normally I do nothing about it. Nah, upload, me nah share the info, me nah really. You see me? And what inspired me to do that video too, you know? Me never want to go so long, but me just wrap it up with this. What inspired for me even start do this video because I go on YouTube. I know I go up on Airbnb business in Jamaica stuff like that. But what I notice nobody no show like them groundwork. Nobody me say. All them do them show advertise them Airbnb, what them offer and this and that and way. Them not show the cleaning aspect. Them not show oh you see me I say? Some say right, well, I'm always typically that me always a look for. I always a look to see how they maintain it, where them have to go through way. I mean I don't come across not one video. Not saying nobody not do it, me not saying none. Up to this day, me not saying none. Seeing some say right here, me not, let me do it. See, because I'm sure knows that people I look just like how me did I look. See, so let me be the one to, you know, show the groundwork. Be the one to show the groundwork. See, so from time to time, me just not from time to time. I try my best as I said. I'm try my best to even post 1 to 2 times a week, and then we see how we grow it from there. Because I have other things I do. So boy, it all depends on my time, but I'm gonna try my very best. So me, we just kick off the channel. Because I have the channel sit down all long. And we have the Airbnb around for over 2 years now. Yes, me, so yeah, I'm gonna start it right this up now. See? Like, share, and subscribe. Do the thing them. Alright. Airbnb life. Yes man, as a host that is.